Welcome to this comprehensive session on mitochondria, one of the most vital organelles in eukaryotic cells. Often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria have a fascinating history that dates back to the 19th century. Their discovery and naming have significantly contributed to our understanding of cellular biology. In 1857, Swiss physiologist Albert von Kolliker first discovered mitochondria, describing them as tiny structures within the cell. In 1890, Richard Altman, a German scientist, referred to these structures as bioblasts. He recognized their role in cellular respiration and energy production. In 1898, the term mitochondrion was coined by Carl Benda. The name is derived from the Greek word mitos meaning thread, chondrio meaning granule. Mitochondria is a plural form of mitochondrion. This name reflects their thread-like or granular appearance under a microscope. Mitochondria are double membrane-bound organelles with a unique structure that supports their role in energy production. Their main components include: first is outer membrane, a smooth membrane that encloses the mitochondrion, permeable to small molecules and ions due to the presence of porin proteins, similar in composition to the plasma membrane of the cell. Second is inner membrane, highly convoluted, forming folds known as cristae, contains essential proteins involved in the electron transport chain and ATP synthesis, serves as the primary site for oxidative phosphorylation, where energy production occurs. Third is cristae, increase the surface area of the inner membrane, allow for enhanced ATP production by providing space for more enzymatic reactions. Fourth is intermembrane space. The region between the inner and outer membranes plays a role in cellular signaling and apoptosis. Programmed cell death is called apoptosis. Fifth is matrix. The innermost compartment of the mitochondrion contains enzymes for the citric acid cycle, mitochondrial DNA, and mitoribosomes. Plays a critical role in fatty acid oxidation and pyruvate metabolism. Mitochondria perform various essential functions that sustain life at the cellular level. First, energy production. Mitochondria generate over 90% of cellular energy in the form of ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate through aerobic respiration. ATP production occurs via oxidative phosphorylation, involving the electron transport chain and ATP synthase. Second, cellular metabolism plays a key role in metabolic pathways such as the citric acid cycle, which is also called Krebs cycle. Facilitates the oxidation of fatty acids and glucose to release energy. Involved in both anabolism and catabolism, collectively termed as metabolism. Store of energy is called anabolism. Use of energy is called catabolism. Third, regulation of cell death, which is also called apoptosis. Mitochondria are central to programmed cell death, or apoptosis. Release cytochrome C, which triggers the apoptotic pathway, leading to controlled cell elimination. Fourth, thermogenesis. It means heat production. In certain cells, mitochondria generate heat instead of ATP. This process is particularly active in brown and beige fat cells, helping to maintain body temperature. Fifth, cellular adaptability. The number and size of mitochondria in a cell vary based on its energy demands. Muscle cells, which require high energy, contain a greater number of mitochondria. Red blood cells are unique as they lack mitochondria entirely. Sixth, mitochondrial DNA and self-replication. Mitochondria contain their own DNA, metrictin DNA, allowing them to replicate independently within the cell. They can increase in number to meet the energy demands of the cell. So we can say mitochondria are fundamental to cellular function, providing energy, regulating metabolism, and participating in apoptosis. Their ability to generate ATP, regulate cell death, and adapt to different energy demands makes them indispensable for life. That's all for today. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.